Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear 9th class. How are you, dear students? Dear students, today we will discuss about the determinant of a matrix, exercise 1.5. Determinant of a matrix is used to find the solution of the numbers of solution of the values which are involved in the matrix. Dear students, first of all, this is introduction. For example, if we have A is equals to A, B, C, D in this form, if we are going to find the determinant of that matrix A, then first of all you will write the A and this matrix into two straight lines, means absolute sign or mod sign. You will write the values into straight lines instead of the brackets. Okay. Now you will write A, B, C, D, and if we will multiply AD minus BC, AD minus BC is known as a determinant of a matrix. Now we are going to find the solution. Question number 1, find the determinant of. Part 2, B is equals to 1, 3, 2, minus 2. First of all, we will write these two lines, these two sides in the form of the determinant. B determinant is equals to 1, 3, 2, minus 2, and according to the rule AD minus BC, we will multiply this diagonal minus this diagonal. So minus 2 ones are minus 2, 3 2s are 6, and minus according to the formula. So minus 2 and minus 6 is equals to minus 8. This is the determinant of this matrix. Question number 2, find the singular and non-singular matrices. Dear students, remember, if the determinant of any matrix is equals to 0, then the matrix is known as a singular. And if the determinant is not equals to 0 like this one, then the matrix is known as a non-singular. So question number 1, question 2, part 1, A is equal to 3, 6, 2, 4. First of all, we will in the form of the determinant sign. And then we will multiply 3 4s are 12, 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12 is equals to 0, and this is a singular matrix because its determinant is 0. Part 2, B is equals to 4 1 3 2. 4 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So this is also non-singular because its determinant is not equals to 0. Part 3, 7 minus 9 3 5. First of all, we will write this in the form of determinant sign, and then we will find the determinant. 7 5s are 35, minus formula and minus plus minus 27. So minus equals to plus. 35 plus 27 is equal to 65, which is not equals to 0. So this is also non-singular matrix. Part 4, D is equals to 5 minus 10 minus 2 4. First of all, we will write this matrix in the form of determinant with two straight lines, and then find 5 4s are 20. Sorry, there is a mistake in this question. First of all, we will write here, this will be 5 4s are 20 minus 20. It will become the 20 minus 20 is equals to 0. This is a singular matrix because its determinant is 0. The matrix having the determinant is 0 is known as the singular matrix. Okay. Now we will move for the question number 3. Find the multiplicative inverse. My dear students, you have remembered that in our exercise 1.2 we have done the negative, and in exercise 1.3 we have find the additive inverse of the matrices, and now we are going to find the multiplicative inverse. How we can find multiplicative inverse? If we have A, then its multiplicative inverse is A inverse, which is equals to adjoint of A divided by A determinant. First of all, we will find A determinant. Okay, like the previous method, we will find the determinant, and after that we will check that is it singular or non-singular. If it is singular, then its inverse does not exist because we cannot find the answer with the denominator 0. Since it is not equals to 0, so its solution is possible. So next move to the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, we will interchange the values of this column, means AD will become DA. We will interchange the values, place of values, and then we will change the sign of this second diagonal. 3 2 becomes minus 3 minus 2, and now we will divide the adjoint of A with the A determinant. A determinant is minus 6. So we will divide 0 divided by, all the values will divided by minus sign, minus, here we will put the negative sign, and it will become 0, and minus minus plus, minus plus minus minus plus, and it is also becomes a positive number. So this is the answer. Now part number C is minus 2, 6, 3, minus 9. First of all, we will write the formula C inverse is equals to adjoint of C divided by C determinant. First we will find C determinant, and its determinant is equals to 0. So its multiplicative inverse does not exist. Now move to part number 4 of this question. D is equals to 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1, 2. First of all, we will find the determinant of D, which is equals to 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 1 and 2. And we will multiply 1 by 2 by 2 minus 3 by 4 by 1. 2 will be cancelled. We get 1 minus 3 by 4. After taking the LCM, we have the value of determinant is equals to 1 by 4. Now put the formula D inverse is equals to adjoint of D divided by D determinant. And my dear students, first we will take the adjoint. How we can take the adjoint? We will interchange the values of column, this diagonal AC will becomes the AD will becomes DA, and we will change the sign of this diagonal values, and after that we will divide. Now dear students, you know the rule. First we will write 1 by 4. Okay, we will divide all the values, means we will first of all we will write first of all we will divide all the values of the adjoint matrix with 1 by 4. Okay, because D inverse means divided by 1 by 4, and you know that the rule, if we will divide, for example, I have taken one entry as example, means 2 divided by 1 by 4, then it will becomes 2 multiplied by 4. So we will take the reciprocal of this value, and then we will write 2 multiplied by 4 minus 3 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by 4, 1 by 2 multiplied by 4, and now we will get the answer 8 minus 3 minus 4 and 2. This is the answer. Now dear students, we are moving to the question number 6, which is very very important for the long question answers in the board paper. Question number 6 is, if A is equals to 4, 0, minus 1, 2, B equals to minus 4, minus 2, 1, minus 1, and D equals to 3, 1, minus 2 and 2, then verify. First part is AB whole inverse equals to B inverse into A inverse. This is given in the form of equation. So first we will consider left hand side, which is equals to AB inverse. So my dear student, first of all we will multiply A into B. 4 4s are minus 16, 0 1s are 0, 4 2s are 8. Like we will multiply AB like in our previous exercise 1.4. 4 4s are 16, 0 1s are 0, 4 2s are minus 8, 0 1s are 0. Okay, 4 2s are minus 8 and 0 1s are 0, minus 1 4s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, and now we will write the values with the help of the multiplication, and keep in your mind that their sign will be also multiplied. So now we will get AB is equals to minus 16, minus 8, 6 and 0. Now we will take the determinant, we will take the inverse. According to this, we will take the inverse of this matrix. The name of this matrix is AB. So we will take the inverse of AB as adjoint of AB divided by AB determinant. First we will find AB determinant, and now we will find the value of AB determinant, which is equals to 48. Now we will find the adjoint by changing the values of this column, and by changing the sign of these values we will find adjoint of AB. Now at the end we will divide all the values, all the entries of the adjoint of AB by their determinant, and so we will get 0, 1 by 6, minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 3. This is answer number 1. Now we will consider right hand side, which is equals to my B inverse into A inverse. And dear students, first of all we will find B inverse. B inverse is equals to adjoint of B divided by B determinant. So first find B determinant. The value of B determinant is 6. Now we will find the B adjoint of B by changing the values of these entries, and by changing the sign of these entries. B inverse is equals to, now value of B inverse, which is equals to adjoint of B by B determinant. B determinant is 6. So we will write minus 1 by 6 into minus 1 2 minus 1 4. Now we will find the value of A inverse by using the formula adjoint of A by determinant. First take A determinant and then adjoint of A, and after that we will put the values like this, 1 by 8 into 2014. Now at the end, according to right hand side, B inverse into A inverse. So now we will find the product of B inverse into A inverse. My dear students, this is 1 by 6 and this is 1 by 8. First of all, we will multiply these values. 6 8s are 48. It will becomes 1 by 48. Now we will write these matrices, minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 4. And now matrix of A determinant 2014. Now we will multiply first with multiply these two matrices, and then we will get 0, 8, minus 6 and minus 16, and at the end we will divide all the entries by 48 and we get the answer 0, 1 by 6, minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 3. Now my dear students, this is the answer of right hand side. Now we can easily compare these two values, these two answers. You can see that both answers are equal. So from answer 1 and answer 2 we get that AB inverse is equals to B inverse into A inverse. Now move to last part of this exercise, part 2. DA inverse is equals to A inverse into D inverse. Like the previous question, same method we will apply. First of all, we will consider left hand side, which is DA inverse. So first we will multiply DA, values of D into matrix D into matrix A. Okay, and we will get the answer 11, 2, minus 10 and 4. Now we will find DA inverse, which is equals to adjoint of DA by DA determinant. By taking the determinant, we will get the values, which is 11, 2, minus 10, 4, 4, 11s are 11, 4s are 44, minus plus 2 10s are 20, which is equals to 64. Adjoint of DA determinant is equals to 4, 11 minus 2, 10. Now my dear student, we will multiply all the entries by the determinant value and get 1 by 16, minus 1 by 32, 5 by 32, 11 by 64. This is our first answer. And now move to right hand side, A inverse into D inverse. First of all, we will find the A inverse just like the previous question as we have done in this question. And now we will find D inverse. D inverse is equals to adjoint of D by D determinant. So take the determinant first, which is equals to 8, not equals to 0, so solution is possible. Now we will find adjoint of D. Adjoint of D is equals to 2, 3, minus 1, 2, and we will divide all the entries by 8. Now my dear student, at the end we will multiply DA inverse into A inverse into D inverse. So A inverse is 1 by 8. D inverse is also equals to 1 by 8. First of all, we will multiply these two fractions, which will become 1 by 64. Then we will write 2014 and this value 2 minus 1, 2, 3. And then we will multiply first two matrices and then we will divide all the entries by the all the entries by the number. And after that, dear students, when we will multiply, you can see that at the end we can compare the results of matrix A, answer 1 and answer 2. You can see that 1 by 16 minus 1 by 32, 5 by 32, 11 by 64. You can see that both answers are the equal. So we can say that this is the right answer. My dear student, this is the end of your exercise 1.5, means determinant of matrices. With the help of this exercise, we can easily find the solution, which we will do inshallah in exercise 1.6. Take care yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.